Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a tragic industrial explosion that occurred on March 16, 2024 at a factory in Dharuhera in Haryana, claiming the lives of 10 workers and injuring 40 others. The explosion rocked the facility around 5:45 p.m., ignited by a short circuit that set off a fire, which quickly spread to the dust collector, leading to a catastrophic blast. But what could have been done to prevent such a disaster? An investigation revealed shocking lapses in safety protocols. A committee member who wished to remain anonymous pointed out that the dust collector hadn't been cleaned by the factory management. This negligence raises serious questions about companies' commitment to maintaining a safe working environment. Let us break down the systematic failure that contributed to this tragedy. Inadequate maintenance. The failure to regularly clean the dust collector directly led to this disaster. Insufficient safety measures. The factory's existing safety protocols were not enough to prevent such a catastrophic event. So, what can industries learn from this incident? Here are some crucial precautions. Regular maintenance. Ensure equipment is serviced and cleaned consistently. Safety audits. Conduct regular inspections to identify and mitigate potential hazards. Worker training. Educate employees on safety protocols to ensure they know how to respond in emergencies. Accountability. Hold management accountable for safety lapses. Sadly, the Dharuhera explosion is not an isolated incident. Similar tragedies have occurred worldwide, like the fireworks factory explosion in Biga, Philippines, which killed 4 people, and another in southern Thailand, which resulted at least 10 fatalities. In Firozabad, India, a firecracker factory explosion claimed the lives of 5, including 2 children. The Dharuhera factory blast serves as a poignant reminder of the human cost of neglecting safety in the workplace. Let us learn from this tragedy and strive to create safer working environments for it. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on industrial safety and awareness. Together, we can make a difference.